A good citizen. A family is formed when a few people live together in a house. Likewise, a society is formed when different people live together in an area. As we have some duty in our family, we have some duty in the society too. Introduction to civics. The word civic comes from the Latin word civis, a word for a citizen of ancient Rome. Thus it is a word relating to citizenship or being a citizen. A citizen is a person who is living for a long in a country. A citizen is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state to the people. The study of a person's rights and duties as a citizen of the country is known as civics. Civics helps the people understand how government works. Civic education is very important for a country as it empowers its citizens to be well-informed and active citizens. It provides them the opportunity to bring a change in the country. It helps them understand their roles and responsibilities as active citizens of the country. Civic sense. Civic sense means social ethics. It reflects the actual personality and shows the responsibility of a person. It refers to the good manners that we learn from our parents and teachers. Civic sense means being polite, showing respect to others, obeying rules and laws, keeping the surroundings clean, taking care of the public property, saving water, electricity, etc. Not resorting to any unethical means in daily life. In short, we can say civic sense is the way we behave in public, an unspoken way to run the society smoothly. A good and responsible neighbor. A neighbor is someone who lives close by us or nearby us. By being a good neighbor, one can become a good citizen. A good and responsible neighbor is someone who respects others and helps them in need. A good neighbor is one who is honest and friendly, is willing to help others, shows kindness towards others including the environment, does not harm or disturb others, shares things with friends and neighbors. Simply, we can say that helpfulness and friendliness are important qualities of a good neighbor. Helpfulness keeps good relationship alive for a long time, and friendliness helps share ideas frankly. A good neighbor must see that he/she is not creating any problem to anybody in the neighborhood. These things are necessary for the betterment, comfort and happiness of all. A good and responsible citizen. A good and responsible citizen is one who is well aware about his/her role in the society and country. A good citizen should participate in the activities that are aimed at welfare of the society. A nation expects many things from a citizen. Qualities of a good citizen. A good citizen is one who is honest, is compassionate, shows respect for self and others, is responsible towards family, society and country, has positive attitude towards others, keeps the surroundings clean, maintains law and order, helps other in need. In short, we can say that a good citizen is one who has civic sense that makes the society a better and safer place to live in. Responsibilities of a good citizen. Being responsible means doing our work in time and with honesty. A responsible person does not make excuses for his/her actions. Being a responsible citizen of our country, we must respect our national flag and participate in all the activities that leads towards the progress of our country, making it a better place to live in. A good citizen does not wait for order or command to do a good work, rather she does it on her own. Participating in elections. An election is a process through which we elect a person to an organization as our representative. We elect representatives of our choice through the process of voting. An election is an important part of democracy and self-rule. All the citizens of the country above 18 years of age are provided with voter identity card having electoral details of the person. The person needs this card to cast his/her vote. Being a responsible citizen, it is our duty to participate in the elections to make this process successful. People's participation makes an election successful and acceptable. If citizens do not participate in the election, it will become a few people's game. Therefore, every citizen should cast his/her vote in the election. Caring for public and private places. We take care of our home, things, etc. At the same time we must take care of the places which are used by many people. Public places. The places like parks, monuments, places of worship, public toilets, schools, railway stations, offices, hospitals, etc. are public places. These places are generally open and accessible to all the people. A public place is the place of all, not any single person or persons. Private places. A private place is not owned or run by the community or government. A private place is owned by a single person or persons. For example, a person's house is his/her place, not of all the persons. Caring for public places. Since a public place is a place for all, we all must take care of it and preserve it for the future generation and public services. For example, our historical monuments are the remembrance of our cultural heritage. If we damage our monuments, we harm our culture and heritage. So we must cooperate to take care of these monuments. We should prevent ourselves and others from writing and scribbling on the walls. We can participate in the regular cleanliness drives. We must spread awareness around about these monuments and their importance. We should take care of public transport. Public transport are the means of transport like buses, trains, metros that are available to the public. We should take care of the public transport. We must not tear the seats. Likewise, we also take care of other public places. We should not pluck flower, tear leaves and throw wrappers while visiting a park. While visiting a hospital we must not speak loudly. While visiting a place of worship, we must follow the queue. While visiting public places, we must not create such situations so that others feel disturbed. For private places, we must follow the same rules. We must not damage others' places or properties.